Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're at an apartment with 5 rooms and very close to NTNU. So let's go check it out. Start from the living room. So there are 4 couches in the living room and a design on the wall and a coffee table, and over here is the bar table and bar chairs, and there's a kettle and the shelves to put your food, and a freezer. Here's a freezer, right? So from this angle, and here's a big mirror, and right here is the bathroom. There's a shower and toilet. And window at the back. There's a little sink. Alright, and the washer is right here. It's a big one. Okay. And right here is the kitchen. Right, so there's a microwave, some tools to cook, and a stove, dishes, cups, glasses. Okay, and big window here. Okay, and a garbage bin right here. Let's check out the rooms. We're gonna see room A first. It is a single bedroom, and so there's a single bed, a lamp, a map of Taiwan on the wall, and a window AC. And right here is the desk and a chair, and a little couch of yours, and a wardrobe right here. And here's a shelf for some stuff, and a window. Alright, and right there it is the window, the mirror, right? Okay. And over here is room B. It is also a single bedroom, so there's a single bed, big window AC, a desk and a chair and a lamp, and an open wardrobe over here, and a big mirror. On this side is a little table and a little shelf. Okay, let's check out the window. Okay. So this is room B. Now room C and E are occupied, so we're going to check out room D for this time. So this is room D. another single bedroom with a single bed, a lamp, AC, window, and a desk and a chair right here at a corner. There's a big open wardrobe on that side, a little table. So this is probably 2 meters wide. Alright, so this is room D. So, okay, this is it. Thank you.